In real estate, standing out is everything. You're not just selling properties, you're selling possibilities, lifestyles, and dreams. We are GrowthSense.com, your go-to directory for off-market real estate buying and selling. So, how do you cut through the noise and get noticed? It's all about blending the old-school hustle with today's digital tools to create a marketing strategy that actually works. Number 1. Build connections through grassroots methods like door knocking and open houses. These personal touches build trust and show you're part of the community. Number 2. Use high-quality visuals and 3D tours. Great photos and virtual walkthroughs help buyers picture themselves in the home before they visit. Number 3. Leverage social media. Share quick property tours, neighborhood highlights, and behind-the-scenes content to stay visible and engaging. Number 4. Prioritize SEO. Optimizing your website with keywords, especially for local searches, ensures buyers can find your listings online. Number 5. Use AI tools. Automate follow-ups, analyze buyer behavior, and streamline your workflow with CRM systems to save time and boost efficiency. Number 6. Create short, engaging videos. Authentic property tours or fun neighborhood features on TikTok or Instagram grab attention fast. Number 7. Make your website a resource. Keep it clean, user-friendly, and updated with blogs, testimonials, and market insights. Number 8. Send targeted emails. Personalized updates about listings or market tips keep you top of mind with potential buyers. Number 9. Partner with local vendors. Collaborations with designers or mortgage brokers expand your network and provide added value to clients. Number 10. Focus on hyper-local content. Highlight community events, businesses, or market changes to establish yourself as the neighborhood expert. Want to take your real estate marketing to the next level? Check out GrowthSense.com. It's perfect for listing everything from traditional homes to unique properties like foreclosures or fixer-uppers. It's all about connecting agents with buyers who are ready to act, so don't miss out.